swim and twirl, splashing and laughing, a happy girl with a flick of her tail and a bubbly sploosh. She giggles and sings in a watery hoot. Bubbly blows rings, pop, 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 silver round circles that never stop. She chases them fast, then dives down deep. Come play with me, she calls to the fishies. Bubbly sings songs to the ocean floor, la la la, echoes out her door. The crabs all clap, the starfish sway, even the clams start dancing today. Bubbly loves hiding in coral so bright, playing peekaboo in the shimmering light. Can you find me? I'm blue and white. How she pops up fast with a cheeky tie. How Bubbly eats rainbows, yes it's true, sucking up krill and kaleidoscope stew. Yum yum yum, she hums with glee, then shares a bite with you and me. Bubbly races the dolphin, zoom, spinning in circles around the moon. Watch me flip, watch me glide, she leaps so high she touches the sky. Bubbly naps in a seaweed bed, all dreaming of pirates and mermaids instead. How she snores snork, a bubbly sound, while octopus tucks her snuggly round. Bubbly waves with her giant fin, come back soon, let's play again. Bring your smiles, bring your cheer, how the ocean's friendliest whale is here.